Hi students, it's Mr. Nguyen here. Today I'm going to show you one of the examples of one of the theorems of two intersecting chords. So the first example I'm talking about is when you have two chords that intersect inside a circle and create what we call an interior angle, and how we're going to be talking about how this angle, this angle is related to the two intercepted arcs, right? These two arcs that make up this angle over here and this one over here, they're called intercepted arcs, right? So there's a theorem that says the measure of angle 1 is it's half of the sum of these two arcs added together, right? So the measure of angle 1 is half of the sum, so 2, of the two arcs, so arc 1 and arc 2, right? Arc 1 and arc 2, arc 1 and arc 2, okay? So this is the relationship, right? So to find the measure of angle 1, this is pretty straightforward. We take 1/2 of the sum of these two arcs, so arc 1 would be 50 degrees, plus arc 2, which is 56 degrees, and we add them together and we divide it by 2, we will get the measure for angle 1. So angle 1 is the interior angle. 50 plus 56 is 106, so we take 1/2 times 106. Okay, so the measure of angle 1 is 1/2, so that will be 53 degrees. Okay? So 53 degree is angle 1. Now, if the problem asks you for angle 2, so sometimes they give you this angle right here, let's say x, and let's say they ask you to find x. So the measure of angle x would be, notice that angle 1, angle x is linear pair, so they add to 180. So the measure of angle x would be 180 subtract the measure of angle 1, right? So 180 minus the measure of angle 1. Well, angle 1 we just found, right? So the measure of angle x would be 180 minus 53 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 53 degrees. So the measure of angle x would equal to 127, I think. Okay, so 127. So it's just subtract from 180. Okay, thank you. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.